In this video, I am going to be showing you how you can edit your text on your Instagram post. If you have just posted an image or a video on your Instagram account and you have typed something by accident and automatically post the post on Instagram by accident, then I am going to be showing you how you can edit the post and correct it right from the start. What you wanna do is go to your Instagram account, click on Instagram, click on your profile icon, click on the image or the video you want to edit on, click on the three dot line icon or the three line icon on the top and right side corner of the screen. Then click on edit just by delete, and then you should just edit your text however you want it, and then click the check or the correct icon, and then you should see the word says I love you YouTube. If that helps you out, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.